Bacon and egg taste nice in Bread Nation's cooking show. Welcome to the new studio. Today we are going to cook.
Celebrity chef Nathan Birkinshaw is about to start making series 2 of his cooking show. However, he's hit a creative block.
I'm really uninspired right now.
At the height of his fame, he was about to command at least 12 views on his YouTube channel. Now, he's a mess.
Cactus cow. So I'm really struggling to come up with content at the minute, and I don't know what it is. I did write a little rap the other day. Okay. John Wayne Gacy, your vegetables are tasty. I'll put them in my pastry and dip them in my baked beans.
Some say he may never cook on screen again.
Let's make some paella. No, go fucking make it yourself, you prick. So this is my drawing of an onion. It says, "What are you crying for?" Because onions make you cry.
What will happen to Nathan? I guess only time will tell.
So I'm finally going to make a new cooking show. We're just going to make some toasties. So first off, big plate of meat. We're using some ham that goes out of date tomorrow, some chicken that goes out of date tomorrow, some pepperoni that lives forever because it's cured with loads and loads of salt, some mozzarella because, you know, cheese. 1 second. Here's a cat. That's not going to go in the toastie. But you at home might do differently. I hope you don't. Warm pan. Meat plate. On top. And just, you know, let it warm through. Meow. Cat's meowing. Twat down your toast. Now the pan's getting heated up, you can feel it, feels a little bit warmer. Well, all this is warming up and cooking. Why not? Ooh, toast. So get your Lurpak or whatever butter you're using. We're using Lurpak because it was an offer and I wanted to feel bougie. Give your pan a shake, add a bit of pepper, bit of hot sauce, butter your bread. I know I've done toasties in the past, we're going to do this one a little bit differently. And also, I'm just running out of ideas. I was going to do fried chicken, but then it got messy. We're then going to do like a risotto, but then I realised I don't like risotto. So just give it a stir. It's hard to do things with just one hand, so this might look a bit messier. Because life is messy. So now your bread's buttered and your meat is cooking and warming through. This is where you want to add your cheese. So I've used a couple of slices of mozzarella. So you've got your meat in like a little bit of a pile up. You're just going to add on your slices of cheese. And you're just going to melt that all down. Turn the heat down at this point as well because you don't want it to burn, you just want it to melty melt melt, melty melt melt, melty melt melt, melty melt melt. And to aid at this point, just stick your top slice of bread on there and just give it give it a press. Oh, it's going out of focus, yeah, just give it a press. So that's melted nicely now. Melty, melt, melt. Move it about a bit so it doesn't burn and stick to the thing. Neat, tidy as you go. Nobody likes a messy house. Now it's almost done. What you want to do is grab your bottom bit and just get that nicely sauced with some more hot sauce. Stay hydrated. We're going to lift all the meaty goodness. You're going to lift the meaty, for fuck's sake. There we have another toasty thing. Big old meaty toasty. For more diabetic coma-inducing recipes, follow this cooking show. Melty, melt, melt.
John Wayne Gacy, your vegetables are tasty. I wrap them in some pastry and dip them in my baked beans.